Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Chelsea and thank you so much for clicking on my video. As you guys can see from the title, we're gonna be putting outfits together today. I am so excited for this video. This is actually my first fashion video on YouTube and it's absolutely crazy because on the other platforms that's normally the type of content I create, so this was definitely long overdue. But anyway, before we get started, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let's get into the video.
She just let me know, but it sure no fit. It ain't safe from here, but she's still.
So before we even get into the first outfit, this is normally my thought process when I'm thinking about an outfit. So for example, I'm like, okay, I want to wear black today. How many black things do I have? I have a black dress, I have black skirt. I don't feel like wearing that. I want to wear trousers. Okay, which trousers do I have? What do I feel like wearing? Okay, so fine, we narrow down to one piece. Okay, so the first outfit, let me just get the pants. So for the first outfit, this is gonna be the base of the outfit. Flared pants, I got this from Riverisland. I think I got them in a size 12. This is what we're gonna be styling. So I want this outfit to be mostly black. I'm gonna pair it with a black top and a black something else. I just want the whole outfit to be full black. Okay, so the pants are on. They are tight fitting. This is how it looks from the back. They're high-waisted as well. For the top, I'm thinking either this halter neck that I got from Iamgia. I really love this top. It's so cute. Got it in a size medium because the small was sold out, but I definitely wish I had gotten it in a small or even an extra small actually, because I like when my tops fit very tight, especially if they have a cleavage. And then the second option is one of my favorite corset tops. If you follow me on other platforms, you've probably seen me wear this so many times, but immediately I'm feeling this one a little more, so we're gonna go with this one. All right, so we have the top and the bottom on. I'm feeling edgy, I'm feeling vintagey. The pants are gappy, so I'm definitely gonna have to go with the belt. I've got this utility belt that I got from Mistress Rocks. Okay, so the belt is on and already you can see the body is giving body. It's giving. I'm gonna add these two belts as part of the accessories. I'm gonna go with this pointy toe boots. I would actually prefer to wear it with black pointy mules, you know, like just a little tiny inch, but I'd prefer to have them as mules. Oh god, I don't know if it's a cropped jacket or a cropped shirt, I don't really know, but I got this from PLT. I'll go with this silver bag. I got this from Urban Outfitters.
Foreigner, 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 foreigner. Yeah, my bitch too foreign in the geese. I don't need it.
So for this next outfit, I'm gonna be styling this baggy pants. I think I got this from Jaded London. I got them in a medium. I'm sure you guys have seen these pants everywhere. I've got all Calvin Klein boxes and I want the Calvin Klein brand to like peek through. So because the pants are round, I'm thinking neutrals with this outfit. I'm gonna go with this top. I got this top from Mistress Rocks. You guys can see. All right, so already love. Did I say I love? Yeah. For the shoes, I'm gonna go with this. These are the high top Dunks. The color is actually sort of like a brown burgundy. And because I'm not going anywhere, yeah, I'm wearing them without socks. Okay, so this is what the outfit has given so far. Can you guys actually see from until the bottom? I hope so, because I even put you guys as far as possible so that you can actually see the whole view. The only thing that normally irritates me when it comes to these pants, they're meant to look, you know, like baggy and puff. Like I have to sort of keep doing this for it to stay that way, because after some time it sort of deflates and then I just look like that. So for the sweater, I'm gonna add this. I also got this from Jaded London. This was actually part of a set and this is how I've styled it before. Very sexy outfit. I hope this is looking good on camera because on the mirror, it's really giving. It's giving. I feel like this looks more errandy. This one definitely looks like I'm going to run errands. No. Oh, this is how it looks from the back as well. I did show you guys that. This looks so cute. Okay, I can't really decide now. I can't decide. I think honestly for the bag, it depends with what you're going for. If I was just wearing this as an outfit, you know, probably like going for a hangout or something, then I think I would go with the coat. To finish off the outfit, I'm gonna add this sunglasses. They've got like blue going on, which matches the blue on my sweater.
Hey man, talk that shit now. Hey. About to get ate up.
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Yeah, yeah. I put some ice on her head.
For this next outfit, this is what we're gonna be styling around. I got this platform heels from Lamoda. They gifted this to me. I know the color is black and white, but I don't want to just do a black and white outfit. These heels are giving me a very, you know, like slutty vibe. I've got this bright pink skirt. I've only worn this once actually, and this is how I styled it on my Instagram, and I want to style it again. I got this from Dollskill. They did gift this to me as well. I got it in a large because I don't know, the sizing on Dollskill is normally a little weird. I'm gonna go with this tiny bralette. Yes, it fits me. Stop looking at me funny. It fits me. I got this from Urban Outfitters. So I'm gonna tie the whole outfit together with this sweater. I started wearing this sweater at home and now it doesn't really feel as stylish anymore, but I got this quite a while ago. I got it from Topshop. I'm gonna tie this 2 buttons on the bottom, and then we'll do a little va-va-voom, you know, just to add some edge. And there we go. Pink, white and gold is literally like the perfect combination. Speaking of pink, I'm gonna be painting my room pink this week actually, and that's gonna come in a vlog, so watch out for that. Like a princess in these shoes. Oh my god, you guys, these, and I feel so cute. I'm gonna go with the tote. So for the sunglasses, we're adding the pink version of the blue ones that I had worn in the previous outfit. On the mirror, this outfit is giving, if you see me, move to the side because you have no business standing close to me. You have no business chatting to me. You know what I feel like in this outfit? I feel like the popular girl in school. The queen bee who has her squad and she is so mean to everyone and she's dating the basketball captain. Yeah. Yeah. That's the popular girls table. I don't know what you're sitting there. Yeah, could you please take your things? Thank you. Ah, you're so sweet. Anyway, take my bag. Let's go.
Like damn, she in her moves. Big boobs in a bust, busted, in a bust, busted, in a bust. She a baddie, she know she a 10. Big boobs in a bust, busted, in a bust, busted.
So we're on to our final outfit. I'm gonna be styling this dress from Iamgia. This is literally one of my favorite dresses. I've worn this before on my Instagram. I actually haven't worn it like out of the house. This is how the dress looks when you just put it on, but I want it to fit a little more tighter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to pin the back because this is how the back looks. This is the dress. I really love it. I love the fit. It's definitely very, very summery. I think even during spring you would still have to wear this with probably like, you know, a light jacket on top of it. And then for the shoes, I'm gonna go with this Amina Muad'Dis, and they also have the Cuban link detailing. Okay, so because it's still chilly, I've added this coat. I got this from Jaded London. I've added it because, as you guys can see, I don't know if it's actually transferring on camera, but like this color, a navy bluish, and because I'm in blue, you know, I think it just goes. And to complete the outfit, going with my silver bag and my beloved blue sunglasses.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we fall, but I guess you know now.
so we've come to the end of the video and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you got this far, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I'm gonna give you guys more and more fashion content if you guys enjoyed this one. That is it for me, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Making fun of me. This girl is a